Oh, I didn't. Oh,
Is it not like? Wait.
2 wheels, yeah.
Wow. Oh my god, I'm so loud. Wow, dude, it's so light. How?
Here, wait. Oh no, wait, this is 1 wheel.
Yeah, but that's so light. You see this? You see this? What does it say? What does it say? It's a TE37 SL.
Oh my god, dude.
Wait. Oh my god. Alright.
Just turn it for the camera.
That's good. Alright.
Oh,
Reveal it, bro. Are you like mentally ready?
well, I mean, I've never had a pair of these before, but
Oh. Yo.
brand spanking new.
Try pick it up real quick. Wow, that looks so good.
I mean, if you like,
Wait, that looks so good.
this is so light.
Yo, this is really light. Oh my god. Dude, like, I like... Okay, so Matt and I, we'd never seen a brand new tee before. It's like...
The finish
it's
is so nice.
good. Like,
It's
like
so nice.
That's like the first thing I noticed is like, when you touch it, like... What is this? It's very
Now
sexual.
the question is if I put the stickers on. I don't think I do. But do I do it for these?
I would leave the sticker
Off.
like off for now, and then when you get bored, or like when it gets scratched like here, like hope it would never, but like cause you're gonna daily it all the time, like
Right.
it's gonna get scratched anyway. So then, if it does, and then it's like you can put it on over the score.
Authenticity.
Oh my god,
That is
dude,
unreal.
this looks so good. I like the color. I thought it would be more like golden,
Bronze.
but like this is very like it's very close to like very brimish type of like.
Dull. It's
Yeah,
like
it's a very dull,
wheat
yeah.
color.
No, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And I mean, can we talk about how wide this thing is, dude?
Oh,
dude, okay, I've never seen a wheel that fat like in my entire life. I mean, I guess for normal people, 10.5 isn't.
realistically, I would have wanted the dish a little bit deeper, but that's okay.
I think that I like this look just cause like it's super underrated. Like, I mean, I think a lot of
Like
people.
everyone's running the.
Yeah, like,
notebooks
I think
nowadays.
people like the other one, the
fashion.
V or the TE37V, but like this one is, you know, SL, so it's like it's still luxurious, you know, like this look. And
So there was
everything.
only 2 sets left when I ordered these from System Motorsports.
Right.
So I had to pull the trigger then, or wait another 6
Yeah,
months.
that's true. I mean,
So
you weren't gonna wait for it anyway. You were gonna buy like sooner or later, like.
I was gonna buy rims.
Yeah.
I mean, they
Oh
came up with that.
my god. Anyway, we need to stop talking. I think everyone's waiting for this thing to go on this car, so we are gonna do that right now.
It is truly.
Like you really gotta be careful. Like the lip is literally out of the car. Like
It's supposed to be like that though.
yeah, but just be careful when you drive. Yeah, I think 265 is a perfect tire for this.
It's the same one from the stock, right?
Right. Or the one that's on that one.
It's an inch wider.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
That looks so good. You need a lip, huh?
I need a lip, I need skirts, I need a diffuser. There's a lot of
Well, you
things.
need a lip first. Like, think about it. Like if you have a lip, like, it's honestly like
Good enough.
buying a TE was
Good investment.
good investment, but also a bad investment at the same time because now you bought this, you feel like you need to full build everything now because it's like wheels are full built now for you. Like, all right, like there's nothing you can go higher than this.
Let's see
right?
how much
This is the highest you can go.
We'll see my budget after the alignment and tires and everything.
I know, yeah, it's pretty costly.
I should be able to.
Oh, dude. Alright, well, we're gonna skip to the next day because we're gonna go head over and get this wheel mounted with tires.
Today's the day.
Today's the day. So, what's up, guys? So, it's the next morning now. We just woke up. We're heading down to some shops in Waipahu to try to figure out if they sell any type of lug nuts, but like a little bit better quality lug nuts because he couldn't buy the raised one. So now we're trying to source it locally. And later on, actually, the guys that's installing his tires are actually coming over to his house, and yeah, they're like mobile, or I guess that's really cool. So we don't have to go anywhere, right? That's really nice, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I was texting the guy. I was like, "Yo, I'm like just kind of shook that you guys are mobile," and he's like, "Yeah, we get that a lot."
Yeah, I was
crazy.
actually pretty shocked too.
I was
Yeah.
like, "Bro, you don't have to
that's-
go anywhere." That's so good.
We might be using them pretty quite often. But anyway, with that being said, let's get right into today's vlog.
It's a whole ass operation. Holy shit.
God damn, that looks so good. Alright, we're getting it rolled now.
Dr. Pittman has arrived.
level up.
We have an appointment to get to. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go get the alignment. Getting alignment.
She looks so good. Hey guys, I'm here too. I just got here. Well, I'm doing a little review on the brand new shoes. Shoe test. Oh yeah, perfect. Just how it should be. He finally joined the Real Wheels Club.
I haven't seen Danny in so long, and look at him. He's a pink monster.
It's Halloween. Just kidding. I'm gonna be like this all year round.
Shit, wait, someone's coming up. Who's that?
Do you want me to windows up or down for the shots?
Down. Up, up.
Yeah.
Who's that?
This is gonna be fun.
Who's that? Some stranger with the...
I don't know, but I like his car.
Yeah, it has TE sign.
No, wait, I remember that guy. He gapped the hell out of me one time.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I know. That was his friend.
It does look really good.
It looks really, really good, man. I pray to God that he never curves those.
Go.
Oh, it's muddy. Oh, I almost died. Yeah.
Come on, bro. Top to bottom.
Sorry, master.
There you go.
Is this how they do it in like those drive-in car washes? Is this how they do it, man?
Well, look at this. Damn. Alright, what's up guys? So Danny and Matt just went to go eat, but as Matt was driving us, it was rubbing really bad. So I'm gonna try see if I can fix it. I figure maybe I need to make the dampening a little bit more stiff, and also I have to probably raise the rear a little bit. So yeah, finger crossed it works, because it was really bad. So alright, let's get right in. Today was a long day.
It was a long day,
but look. And here's a little clip of his car. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We finally got together. It's been 2 weeks, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content for Evo. Let me know and comment down below if you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow all my social media and Danny and Matt's social media. And then I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.